Page 22, March. This is a lesson where we get another dynamic level, and we got chords on here. Let's talk about it. It's 2 lines long, treble and bass clef, 4/4 time. The left hand's playing first, and then the right hand on each line, so we're going back and forth. Okay. Let's take the right hand first to make sure we have the notes and rhythms for it. Okay, so the right hand, when it comes in the third measure, remember a measure is the distance between the measure lines, those vertical lines, or third bar. I could call it a bar or a measure, either one. Well, that's a thumb, the first finger on middle C, that puts your hand here. So you got a C, and then a C and a D together. And then the C and an E together, and then the C chord. That's actually a C chord too. It's just, you don't have to have all the notes in the chord to be the chord. So but right. Hopefully you understand what I'm saying. And I'm lowering the hand on these chords. When I have more than one note at a time, I just lower the hand down. Actually, I lower the hand on the single notes too, but sometimes you do wiggle the fingers on single notes. It depends on the situation. But with chords, you got to lower the hand down. So the rhythm then is 1, 2, 3, rest, rest, rest. That's that one. Then in the second line, when the right hand comes in, you start with it. They say 5th finger on G. You don't need the 5. You're here. You're not moving around. Don't read finger numbers is what I'm saying. You need to read the G and know it's a G. Don't say it's 5th finger, so I'm going to play 5th finger and whatever note that is close enough. No, it doesn't work. I did that when I first started playing piano. I just read finger numbers. That really messed me up a little later on because eventually you're going to start spreading out and moving around, and finger numbers ain't going to help you that much. You got to know the notes. So here we're in this position, and it's here 2, and then an F, and then an E, G, and then that chord again, half note. That's the right hand. Now remember, a note lasts until the next note starts, or a beat lasts until the next beat starts. So in the right hand here, when we're playing, you have a rest on beat 2. Beat 1 lasts until beat 2 starts. Don't lift up on the first note until beat 2 starts. So it's like 1, 2. Right on 2 I lift up, because otherwise you're gonna 1, 2, 3. You're cutting them short. That's not what's written. There is a way to notate cutting them short, but we're not there yet. I need you to get into the habit of holding it the full beat. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you hold it the whole beat. With the left hand, it's little finger on that C again. That puts us in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, rest. And then you rest the rest of the line. Second line is the same as the first for the left hand. Put the hands together. You're here, and you're only playing one hand at a time, but still, both hands are there, ready to go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You get the idea. I hope you understand. You read it and put it together. Now when you have that, no hesitations, and you should be able to play this one without looking at the keyboard eventually. Then we add the dynamics. And the dynamic here is an F. F is short for forte, which means loud. How loud? I don't know. It's a little louder than medium loud. It's loud. It depends on the situation. If I'm outside loud, it's going to be a lot louder than I am in a little room like this. I don't need it super loud in a room like this. It's just loud. And there are dynamics for louder than this, so don't go crazy on this. It's just loud. Whatever you think loud is, and that's the only dynamic you get, so the whole thing is loud. So, whatever you think loud is. Let's play play it together very slowly. Double check the notes and the rhythms. Again, I don't do dynamics in the play with me's. I just notes and rhythms. Make sure you're playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. Now give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2. Rest. 2.